show ya. You should me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love man, you she break.
Yep. Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you my great niece's baby shower. Yes, it is set up so beautiful guys. Here you will see they have some nice drinks on this table, some mimosa and some dinner rolls. They haven't finished putting everything together. This is at the beginning of the setup of the baby shower. And guys, come along and let's see what all they have in this beautiful home and set up for the baby shower. You can see here, this is a beautiful arch, and the boxes with babies in, they have the beautiful blue lights in it guys, with the clouds inside. Guys, it is beautiful. The camera is not giving it any justice at all, but let's go and tour more of the home so you guys can see where everything is. So we will be touring in the basement. Guys, you won't believe what you'll be seeing down in the basement. It is so beautiful guys. So as I walk downstairs and show you the basement, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content guys. I am going to show you this, and I hope you guys really enjoy this tour of this beautiful baby shower. So guys, enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one. And also remember, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye now. Enjoy.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I go on your sister when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like your hair, rockin' from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. That's right, yeah, you took it all night. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like your hair, rockin' from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. That's right, yeah, you took it all night.
Yeah. Hey, you invaded my mind. Yeah. You invaded my mind, but it's so nice. All night. Yeah. Want this feeling to last for a lifetime. Yeah. Sundown to sun up at your door. I never seen your type before. You put my head in the clouds. Yeah. Don't wanna wake up to no one else. I found the girl of my dream in this life full of sin. Nothing else matter for me. Whoa. Give it to me one time. Spin it for me one time like so. All mine. Let me follow you in the dark with a glow. Give it to me one time. Spin it for me one time like so. All mine. In it for a lifetime. Oh, why? Nyeko mi dogo, like me ame logo. Oh why? take over my life. You take over my life. You so cold. Long time, yeah. Wouldn't have it any other way for sure. Girl, you know I'm still a fan. Dreaming about you again. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you gon' like it. Got me on the night shift. Yeah. Just you and I for a lifetime. Woo. Yeah. Let's tie a knot for a lifeline. Just you and I, baby girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nieko mi dogo. Lake ame. Lake ame lo. Oh, yeah. Nieko mi dogo. Lake ame. Lake ame lo. Yeah. Just you and I for a life. Just you and I for a life.
Yeah, he got boobs. You got to concentrate a little bit.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want.
When I'm feeling weak, you're my energy. And when I'm all alone, you keep me company. To my darkness, you're a shining light. You're the reason I'm not scared at night. 'Cause of you.